page, you can type in exness. Just nothing else, just exness. Then okay, then the first one that comes in is exness.com. As you can see here. Yeah. No, just go ahead with it. Tap on it. Now the next thing to do is register. Tap on register. This is sign in if you already have an account. If you don't, okay, go ahead and create a new account. Country, Nigeria. Yeah. Country, Nigeria. Is here. Nigeria, yeah. Alright then. So email, you have to input your email. You have to input your email and then password. I'll just go ahead, post it. Alright, I just inputted my password. You just have to choose a good password that will, you see all these things are ticked. Okay, so right here you see a partner code. Here is optional, but if you have it, you could use it. I have mine, I just input it. So you have to tap in here to make sure it's declared here. You have to be ticked. And then you continue. Yeah. Making sure everything is okay. Then you can tap on this continue button here. Sorry. Okay, say partner code is invalid. Click continue to register without partner code. Alright. Click continue. And the network is a bit slow. Let's use an account. Okay, we are going to do it real account. Alright, so it brings you here the complete profile. You can go ahead, confirm email address, confirm phone number, add profile information. You can go ahead and do that, but for now I'm going to do it later. I'll do it later. Then tap on right here, the 3 bar. Tap on it. So this account is a new account, so I'll just go on my account. Alright, so here we are. There is the fund account to start trading. Now you could be on the app view when you are. This one will log in from Chrome. You could as well download the app and log in. It's pretty much the same thing you get. So when you get here, the first thing you're going to see is that they created a one for you, or you can as well create one for yourself. If they say there is no account here, what you just do is look for a place that there is a plus sign there as new account. Tap on the new account. this platform will open up, and then you have to choose between MT4 or MT5. And of course, I recommend MT5. So you just leave it there at MT5 recommended. So if you scroll by the side, you see different types of accounts that they offer. But I either go with standard or pro. For now, let's continue with pro. So I'm just going with the standard. I do this one. So I'm just going to click on discontinue. Of course, it's a real account. Right here, we are going with still real. If you want to open a demo account, you can go with this. And then your leverage, you select it here. You can leave it at this 1:2000, or you can get it to unlimited by tapping this button here. The arrow, scroll down, 1:unlimited. Alright, see what the route is only available when you have put 10 positions. You can leave it there and go to 1:2000, still okay. Now your currency is in USD standard. You can just name this thing any name. I could say FX Z1. Create a password. Once again, you choose your password. It could be the same thing with your login password, or it could be a different password. So I'll go ahead and pause. Alright, so I just am choosing my password, and then it's time to create account. So create an account. Voila. So this is the one they gave us when we created the account. In case they didn't give you, is the one we just created right now. Even if they gave you, you should still create anyone, which is one we just created right now. So what you do is okay, you just confirm it's that chosen account that you created. So what you do right now is, no matter the platform you are using, you should look out for these dots here, that 3 dots. You tap on it. You can see options, change leverage, blah blah blah, give an trading, manage your statement. Leave that particular one for now. It's like changing your views. So what you do is you tap on this arrow, tap on it, see account information right here, this one, tap on it. Alright, so it brings you everything you need. So what to do now is to log into your MT5 or your MT4, depending on what you chose while opening that particular account. So for this account, we chose MT5. So we are going to go ahead and copy our MT5 login. We copy it, and then we take note of the server name. Take note of the server name. That's MT5 Real 10 right here. MT5 Real 10. So I'll just copy it, the login, and then we're going to head over to MT5. Alright, so we just got our MT5. This particular MT5 on this phone is for teaching purposes. So what you do, once you get to your MT5, you see that you see it like this, or you see it like this. Most you are going to see it like this. So what you do is you just go to these 3 dots up here, tap on the 3 dots, tap on the 3 dots. Now what I'm going to see is manage account. Depending on the view you are getting, or you definitely see manage account, or you are going to see a plus sign above here, like a plus sign up above there, depending on your device. So click on manage account. You see this plus sign still up here. You tap on it. Now you have to search for your broker. for your broker name there. In this case, it's exness technologies. You scroll down, okay, right there. Exness technologies. So you log into your account here. You use that one, so you are already logged in. All you are going to do is you paste the login you copied, then you put the password you created while opening the account. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it, then input my password. Alright, I'm just finishing putting the password, and then here it said exness U5. I'm not sure that was the server name, so I'll just come here. The server name was right here, 10. So MT5 10. So what I'll do is tap on this arrow. On the arrow, scroll MT5 10. Alright, that's it right here. So I'll choose it. Then click on login. Voila. So we are logged in MT5. This account number we created. Right. Yeah, so this is it. You are logged into MT5. You can go ahead and edit these stuff. I will still do another video on how to use this MT5. You can as well edit your page here. Choose what to delete. Delete. Out. You can add what you want here.